Layup process is a molding process for composite materials, in which the final product is obtained by overlapping a specific number of different layers, usually made of continuous polymeric or ceramic fibers, and a thermoset polymeric liquid matrix. Present lecture introduces open mold hand layup and spray-up techniques. In open molding, raw materials, resins and fiber reinforcements are exposed to air as they cure or harden. Open molding utilizes different processes, including hand layup, spray-up, casting and filament winding. This well-established molding method is used to produce boats, RV components, truck cabs and fenders, spas, tubs, showers, and other fiberglass composite products. Hand layup is a manual process, where layers of fiber reinforcements, such as woven fabrics or chopped strands, are placed by hand onto a mold or mandrel. Resin is then applied to impregnate the fibers, and the composite is allowed to cure. This process is commonly used to manufacture pipe fittings and other structures used for liquid storage and marine applications. Different stages of hand layup process are described in the current and preceding slides. The hand layup process is manual, therefore it offers flexibility in design and is well suited to low-volume production. Preliminary 3 steps are shown on the screen. Last 2 stages of this 5-step hand layup process are described in the current slide. Curing can be done at room temperature or at a specific temperature, depending on the properties of the resin. Various steps of hand layup processing of fiberglass products are shown in the picture. There is no need for a countermold, hence improving efficiency and saving costs. This low-cost process requires minimal equipment to produce high-quality parts. Resin is processed at ambient temperatures, which reduces energy consumption and costs. Other manufacturing processes, such as RTM and vacuum infusion, offer higher mechanical properties. High level of skills are essential for the worker to consistently achieve quality products. A secondary process to trim parts is normally required, which increases the total time of the process. Spray-up is generally chosen over hand layup for more complex designs, as it is largely considered to be faster and more efficient when detailed molds are being used. It also allows for faster production rates. The spray layup technique is considered to be an extension of the hand layup method. In this technique, a spray gun is used to spray pressurized resin and reinforcement, which is in the form of chopped fibers. As shown in this picture, in a spray-up process, chopped fibers, together with the liquid matrix resin, are sprayed onto an open mold surface until the desired thickness of the composite lamination is obtained by successive layers. After spraying fiber and resin to required thickness, curing of the product is done either at room temperature or at elevated temperature. Many more presentations specially describing different techniques of composites manufacturing are in the pipeline, as Composites Manufacturing Business, CMB, teams of Technology Education and Mentoring Center are designing and preparing lectures for the guidance of young entrepreneurs. Current slide depicts link to a previous lecture that supplements the information provided in the current presentation. Free guidance by TE&MC is available in advisory role for young entrepreneur planning to start fiberglass production units utilizing these techniques.